Good afternoon. Happy Monday. Happy social distancing Monday, I should say. Oh, and baby Yoda. He says hi. He doesn't look very happy because he's stuck in a pocket. So, Cassandra Rodriguez here, and I'm doing a quick little video to talk about retraining your brain. Kind of talk about it a lot, but I just wanted to emphasize to people that it does take time and it does take discipline. So people will throw out the phrase, oh, you need to retrain your brain. And I know I do that a lot. But what we don't always remind you of or let you know about is that it does take time, it takes consistency, it takes discipline. It is not an easy thing to do. For example, if you wake up grumpy every day, it's not easy to say, tomorrow I'm going to wake up in a good mood and just wake up in a good mood. No, it's an evolution. What you have to do is when you wake up in the morning, when you catch yourself being grumpy, you have to catch yourself and you have to stop. You have to make yourself not say whatever butthole thing you're thinking of saying to someone. You have to make yourself not slam things, not yell, not be short-tempered. Breathe deeply. Now, how do I do that? I kind of wake up happy anyway, but I surround myself with positive things on my wall, next to my bed, and I wake up and I force myself to read them. You know, there are things like start each day with a grateful heart, hard work equals success, things that just remind me, put the negativity aside, focus on the positive. Now, that's one thing. What's another thing you can do? Don't listen to negative music. Oh, but I love my hardcore rap. Oh, I love my metal music. Okay, does it make your heart race with aggression and adrenaline? Or does it make you feel happy? Because I'll tell you right now that you could be happy one day, and if you listen to just the right song, it's going to trigger a memory. Maybe it's a sad love song. Maybe it's a song about death or rape or molestation or killing someone or life on the streets. And that really affects your mood, believe it or not. It triggers your subconscious emotions that are going to bring you down. And then you know what you do without even realizing it? Your mood changes. So it sounds a little bit cheesy, but every single thing you interact with, every single moment of every single day affects your mood and how you're feeling about everyone around you and yourself. So retraining your brain means you actually have to do things besides just say, I want to retrain my brain. You have to cut out negative songs. I don't watch chick flicks. Why? Because they irritate me. They irritate me because they're so false in the whole plot and how it all works out. And I've lived on this earth long enough to know that rarely does it work out that way. But the movies mislead people into thinking that that's what they should expect. So because they make me grumpy, I don't watch them. Friends say, let's watch this movie. I'm good. And you have to start recognizing what are the things that trigger you to come away from your happy, peaceful self. If it's certain movies, certain songs, certain people, then you have to stay away from those things. That is what the retraining is. And the discipline is telling yourself, nope, I'm not even going to watch that movie because all my friends want to, because I know it's going to ruin my mood. Or no, I'm not going to go hang out with that person because I already know exactly how it's going to play out, and I'm going to end up angry or stressed or irritated or feeling beat down, and everyone else wants to go hang out together. Well, I'm going to have to say no. I'm going to have to put me first. And that may mean that you don't always hang out with all the people you want to. You don't always see the things you want to. You don't always go the places you want to. But if you can retrain your brain to focus on yourself, your motivation, your positivity, then the inner peace that you find will be well worth the sacrifices. In fact, you start to realize they're not sacrifices. They're simply good judgment choices. Now, some people will say, well, Cassandra, you have bad days and sometimes you're grumpy and you're angry and you're aggressive and you're over here telling people how to live their life. What I'm telling you is things that I know work to help you find inner peace. Finding inner peace doesn't mean you don't have a temper. It does not mean you don't get angry. Doesn't mean you don't get hurt. Doesn't mean you don't get aggravated. It means that you choose to not let those moments and those emotions overcome you and derail you from your purpose in life. One bad day does not a bad person make. And that is what it really means to retrain your brain so that you can find inner peace. If you have questions, you can hit me up. And yeah, I hope you're all having a great day. Coronavirus, our stay-at-home order got extended till April 30th. So maybe I'll have a chance to do more videos. Maybe I'll have a chance to up my video skill game so they can look more professional. I don't know. Baby Yoda, say cheerio. You guys have a happy Monday and a restful week while we're all staying at home. I wish you the best, and I hope I've given you some help in kickstarting your life.